Hey freshmen, this is Mrs. Nickel, and I wanted to congratulate you because you met your goal of fewer than 200 Fs when we pulled the grades last week. So congratulations. So we will not have fast this week, um, but we will have fast if the number of Fs you have as a freshman class goes above 200. So keep up the hard work, keep getting those grades up, and we will do an amnesty day, so you did earn an amnesty day, but we're not able to do it until Monday, April 24th. Um, our kitchen staff works hard and they've ordered lunches already up until then. So our amnesty day that you've earned will be Monday, April 24th. I will remind you when it gets closer. So keep up the hard work. Let's get those grades up and keep working hard. Here we go, Mustangs.